Hello, everyone. Let's start it. Not now. Let's put the timer to 55 and what? I think we just need to open our post handle. The good thing is we'll not be working on cursor today. Well, good thing and a bad thing, because I found out Windsurf just updated their new app. This is called, what's the name they are calling it? Something called 4. Let's see the change logs. So here, so this is the new Windsurf change log. They have released the Wave 4, and with this we see previews, Windsurf previews. So this means now we don't need bold, new or lovable, and this is what we are going to do today. I'm going to make the landing page for our meme-a-thon, which was also pending for a while. So yeah, let's start with this. Before that, before starting on this project, let's see the chat. Blinken, haha, fast. Hey Blinken, awesome. Thank you, man. Thank you for joining so quick. And who else is here? Blinken, how does it today? Hello, Shubham. Yo, Blinken, Hind, I mean, yo, Hind. Yeah, Hind, thanks for announcing our game night updates on our channel. So, yeah, that's going to happen on this Saturday. Super excited for that. Happy life. Welcome to the stream, man. The riddle is, Bhai, I'm a final year student. HOD rejected every project idea, and our sewer HOD said term as project for 8,000 to 15,000. What can we do, man? What can we do? Hey Manchu, sup. How is it going? Okay, so guys, today I will need your help on letting me know how this thing is working, right? Because I'm starting with this Windsurf preview thing. I don't know how it works, and let's see. Let's open a browser preview of my website. Let's see how it works. Because I have created this meme-a-thon page. This will be where we'll talk about our meme-a-thon, like what we'll do, open preview. So this is something very new, just hot coming out from Windsurf team. I can say meme-a-thon. Okay, so meme-a-thon page is currently blocked with sign-in, which we should not. The best part about this preview, is like compared to how is it different from just opening it in a browser, that we can send the console logs directly to Windsurf from here, and we can click on any individual element. For example, I can click on this box and I can say, hey, DOM element div login, change this to some like change color or something. So it becomes interactive while making your like web app. So I mean, why would I use lovable or bolt new? Now this is what I want to test today, that do we really need those web apps compared to if Windsurf can do this for us. Obi Silva, I'm coding alongside you today. I'm behind on my project. Awesome, Obi. Thanks for joining in. And yeah, I would really appreciate if you also give some updates after maybe 50 minutes, how much you got done. Varun, hi, what's new about post handle? Varun, currently working on the meme-a-thon landing page because I wanted to test this Windsurf's new release, which came out with the preview now. So yeah, let's do that today. Blinken, the game night will be game morning for me, but I'm here for it. Awesome. Blinken, you will annihilate everyone, I guess. You are an OG Twitch gaming streamer, so I don't think anyone has any chance there. Okay, this is it. This is it. Shubham, I don't really like Crunker, but I'll play. I mean, who likes web-based, no downloadable games? But that is the only thing available. I mean, guys, any one of you who is interested, you know how easy I'm watching on my Twitter timeline. Everyone is making their own game. I saw like levels I made this flying simulator. Then after that, I saw someone made a ship simulator where you are in a sea with a ship and the waves are coming and then you hit other ships, which was very interesting. Then I saw someone is making like a multiplayer, Minecraft kind of game as a multiplayer. So I mean, if all of these are making such games, it's super easy right now with cursor to make games. So maybe spend some time on making a game. and we can all play live on these streams. I mean, how crazy is it? Like, you can just sit in a day, think about an idea, and just start making game with cursor. Use 3JS because, well, this guy Level Sayo used the same, and he made the game in just 1 week with 3D graphics and multiplayer capabilities directly integrated into that app. Crazy. So you can maybe make a better version of Krunker if you want. Just throwing this idea out there. Okay, so right now the meme on page is blocked with sign in. Can we remove that? It should be open for anyone to see. I also need to see if dashboard, because I know there is an auth context somewhere. Auth guard, use auth store. Then there is no auth guard is there. Protected routes. So currently public. Okay, so we can also give it here Memathon, right? So let's stop. Don't do this. Where is that preview? Here is the preview. Reload again. For some reason this is not working. Let's see. People are just building games after Elon retweeted Levels IO. Yes, exactly. People have started making their own games now. And to be honest, most of them are playable. They are not like very good games, but the times these guys have spent is like 1 week, few hours in just vibe coding with cursor. And with that, you get a playable kind of game. It's insane, right? Shubham, Valorant, you mean? I don't know. But I played Valorant a little bit, except I have made a very simple game with Trey, which is a Tower of Hanoi, just to test the Trey's builder mode. Awesome, hint. Do share if it's available somewhere. Bring in. I made a very simple ball rolling game in Unity that plays in the browser. It's the roll a ball Unity tutorial, but I expanded on it a little bit by adding more obstacle and textures. Wow, interesting, Blinker Codes. Mind sharing that? Let me play some music. Wow, we don't have music. Why? Lo-fi music. Which kind of lo-fi we are in? Mood. I'm in mood of like medieval lo-fi. Yes, this is the vibe for the day. The medieval vibe. What is it saying? Okay, let's see. Happy life. Your message was retracted. Distracted. Okay. So is it working? So studio is working, but Mima on, is it working? Okay. Keep all. Let's see what changes it has made. In the auth card, we have added Memathon, public routes, which is one of the thing. Then here we have use router. Then Memathon login waitlist privacy terms is public route. Then we show this, otherwise not. Then there is Memathon page. Then there is this default video component which has some story updates. I mean, it's fine. Hey Shivanshu, hello. So this is how the view is currently looking. Close. Yeah, so this is how our page. What is happening? Here? Memathon is here. I can open it. What is wrong with this? It's looking like this now here, but for some reason the preview is not showing it. Active previews, disable preview, run preview. Okay, let's see. Let us see what's happening. I did not like this. What is happening? Disable preview, enable preview. Okay, run preview. Something is wrong. Be live. Anmol. Hi Divyanshu, I have built a new project for my robotics club of college. It is in beta. Where can you review it? Yeah, sure. Share it. We can review it here on the chat. LinkedIn. I sent a link in Discord general for it. It's not mobile friendly. Okay, we can just check it out. So guys, this is a game which Blinken has created. So Blinken is already an OG here. I think he's making e-commerce website right now, and this Unity game is also there. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wait, what is happening? What is happening here? It's some physics-based game. What do we have to do? What's my goal? Oh, do I have to take all these? Okay. You lose? Oh, what? Okay, I should be this, but the graphics are crazy, man. With Unity Web is so good. I never knew that. Okay, so I should be away from this block. I think that's what this block is. This will kill me otherwise. Oh no, shit. This is fun. Blinken. I like it. Guys, very interesting. I like it. So this is another website which Anmol has created for his club. Scroll to begin. I like the theme of it. Just one feedback, Anmol. Maybe you can change this orange. I don't know. It's this orange with this blue. It's not going very well. And press any key to start. Okay, so there is an issue. I press space and it just moved down. Maybe block my space if I'm here. But yeah, looking nice, man. It's very nice. If I click here, oh wow. I like this radar kind of menu. This is first time I'm watching something like this. And maybe change the this background divs to circle as well, so the shadows looks a little bit better, or maybe it's intentional. I don't know. To me, it feels like they should be in the circular. But yeah, very interesting, Anmol. Very interesting. Nice work. Happy life, yo. What's your bro? Oh, and it has an AI that chases you. Oh, is that an AI? Wow. Collect the spinning things. It's a nice brain break type thing. Very nice, man. But one day you said that you need a AI chat app for macOS where you use your multiple models with quick access. Yes, I do. I do need a very smooth AI chat app. And you know what? I am actually going to work after this posthandle release on a mobile iOS app, which will be exactly similar to what ChatGPT app is right now. In terms of smoothness, I'll just make it for workout and personal therapy. That's what I'm like. That's the next project which I'm going to pick, because this is something which I feel I have a good amount of data based on how many such apps I have used so far, and none of them is doing exactly what I want. And that app will definitely be helping me personally, and I'll share it if it helps anyone else. Because the way I'm thinking is it's a little bit different. I'm thinking in terms of like it could be a cursor for your gym workouts. So it's like with cursor I just say and it does everything for me. So it will do the same thing. If I'll just tell what I did, just send a picture of it, and it will maintain my all the things and give me, okay, you need to eat this much and that much at that time. So it will become like a full health app for me. By talking to agent will give me all the things I need to do. I'll give my whole this energy of my brain to that app, so that I do not have to even think what should I eat, what workouts I have done, what's my progress. The app will give me everything. Okay, happy life. Your thoughts on links, which may become a competitor of Expo. Is there a competitor for Expo? Links, let me see. Links React Native. Okay, I think this launched long back. I have seen this, yes. I mean, I have no idea right now what's the architecture it. So yeah, maybe I'll look into the architecture first to understand how it works, how it is different, then maybe I can comment on it from the start. I don't know. I have no comment for now. Build links apps with React. There is an APIs page. Yeah, I think it still looks like it's being worked on. It's not like a fully finished thing. 3.6k stars, which is kind of huge, but not even close to where Expo and React Native are. But yeah, I mean, yeah, it could be coming out for that. The design of some of our APIs or some implementation links have been inspired by and referenced from the following outstanding projects. So okay, so it uses some sort of Chromium, also React Native. So it's using all the combination of all these three, which is kind of interesting because Flutter Engine versus React Native, they both follow a complete different philosophy of how rendering works on the views. So I'm interested to know how they are doing this, combining both the Flutter Engine with React Native. This will be an interesting read when I will have some time. But yeah, thank you so much, Happy Life, for sharing this. I'll look into this. Varun, one of my friend working on it but he using their website directly in the Electron. Yeah, Varun, I don't like these wrapper apps which are a web app is packaged in an Electron app, because then you lose a lot of functionality. Like I need it to be present available with alt space always as a small pop-up. As you know, like I told you, like this is how ChatGPT app shows up if I press it. This is very simple to make with React in Electron as a native Electron app. So I mean, like if something of like this you can make, which is so quick and easy, available, running always on my menu bar, not just a web app. You can't do this with a web app. So yeah, I'm like more interested in that kind of, because otherwise I have already this, right, Jan. So Jan does a lot more things, but the convenience I get with ChatGPT is like mind-blowing. Memes book, hi Memes book, long time, man. Where were you? Bring in. I have an idea for my next project. It will be a mobile game I will make with Unity. It's gonna be an endless runner game similar to Temple Run, but with a twist. Interesting. I'm interested in this twist. Blinking codes and all the best. And what kind of twist? I just switched to Zen browser and love it. Have you tried it? I have tried it. I think it's after this Arc got killed. Now Zen is the next contender in that domain of sidebar navigations. I did not like Arc way of browsers, so I'm good with my Chrome for now. Blinking, you can get caught from behind because someone is chasing you. Okay. Similar to Temple Run, only by gameplay but not setting or character. They mentioned TikTok Studio app is built by you. Yeah, we'll have to see how smooth TikTok Studio is, because I'm pretty sure TikTok will never make their own native TikTok app with any of these third-party apps. They will be using only native for that. Too much of video rendering, too much of optimizations required, which are very hard to do, like fundamentally not possible with any kind of framework, even like Flutter, React Native or anything. So if you have such a strong, huge app and heavily relying on video playbacks, they need a lot of optimization, and for that I think native is the right way to go. What do you think about Perplexity AI? Perplexity AI is just a marketing gimmick, guys. It will be there for a while. I don't know. It will fade away in some shadows if they do not make their own LLM, which is better than any of the other. Otherwise, it's just a overhyped thing at this point. I do not use Perplexity. I have never seen any good result. Every other LLM is now giving this deep research. Now ChatGPT has this deep research. They already had the search, so all the things which I require, I get pretty decent or good answers with this. Otherwise, I think Grok's deep research does a crazy job, because Grok has the access to Twitter data as well, which is most of the time is very real time. So yeah, I mean, Perplexity has no moat apart from being first in the market in that kind of search engine alternate. And I mean, this, as you can see, right, the CEO talks a lot, and when CEOs are always like marketing and hyping up their product and doing any form of marketing, so it becomes a little bit obvious that the product does not hold much value apart from until it is being marketed. This is my opinion. Maybe I might be wrong. I'm not like using it extensively to know its potential, but yeah, I'm okay to listen the other side as well. Blinken, it's too early to be yawning, Dev. Blinken, it's been a very big day. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys about my day, right? So I woke up today at around 5:30 or 6 a.m. in the morning, and after that I thought, okay, I should go for a walk, and then I went to a walk for like 1.5 hours. I walked almost I think 6 kilometers or 7 kilometers. Then I came home. I was feeling tired, and I thought, okay, I'll not drink coffee today because last night it took me a long time to sleep, and my sleep, uh, like, I woke up at 6, which was like half sleep. So I thought maybe caffeine is just messing up too much with my sleep schedules. So I did not drink coffee today, which was again a very big problem. How could you sustain without coffee? And then I was just working here till 4 a.m. Sorry, 4 p.m. Then I left to go meet my friend who is like 1 hour away from me. He's in town these days. I came back now, just like at 9:30 I came and just opened up my stream. So I was near the beach, then we went to have a dinner, then we were just talking. Too much things happened, so it made me too tired, and here you see the yawning because of that. Tripster, you gotta make a decision. Next week I was planning to go out with my friends to Rameshwaram. We are university students in Chennai, but then suddenly someone else reached out to me asking if I want to join them in a hackathon happening in Bangalore. What should I do? I want to enjoy with my friends because it's very rare that we go out as a group, but I have a hackathon is also pretty interesting. Tripster, I mean, I would say join with your friends, man. There will be more hackathons, but sometimes not all of your friends might agree on the same trip again. And to be a bit darker here, I mean, like, this could be one of the last trip with all of you friends together, because this has happened with me as well. There were some trips which we now remember, oh, this was the maybe last time we did that kind of trip. So yeah, give preference to your friends trip and enjoy this time. You are still in college. It's too early to be going into like giving priority to other things. You should give priority, but right now it's friends time. In the army, what's the background music, man? Is it nice? To be honest, String of the Celestial, this is like medieval lo-fi. This is, I listen to this sometimes. This gives me a vibe like I'm a coder in the medieval times, sitting in my room and vibe coding. Tripster, okay, this is we covered. Yes, when I use Perplexity, I feel like where I am, what happening here. Vishnu, hey bro, hey Vishnu, how are you, man? I'm stuck building this search engine, bro. I'm having a hard time building. Need this to build by tomorrow. All the best, Vishnu. Panic, Shrikar, hi, how are you doing? Shrikar, after hi, you should say something else as well. You always come and say hi. Tripster, exactly. We are already in third year, and I feel like it's too early to be as mature as I feel like. That's correct. So yeah, enjoy with your friends, Tripster. Yugi, yo Divyanshu. Hey Yugi. So yeah, guys, let me just also do this thing now. Run this preview. So one of the things which I'm not liking about this new update of Windsurf, this preview thing, what I think is it should do it immediately without doing all this drama. Like I have to give this command, open a browser preview of my website, then it runs it here, and that too if I click on open preview, and that too if I click on Memeathon, it takes me. Yes, this is nice. So okay, so we are here, right? And then there is a console error. What is this? What is the error? This is interesting now. Now it's getting interesting. Okay, it's a hydration error. For now, we can ignore it. Okay, so I will say in the header, let's remove the, or maybe we need it, right? No, we need it. Select an element in the whole. What is happening? What the thing is happening here? Why is it like doing all these things? No, you don't have to fix the hydration. Like Claude 3.7 is doing its thing now. But or any button like Tray Web View. Yeah, I think it should have like a simple button to open the preview instead of going through this circus of first sending this message. First I click on that preview button, then it adds this string on my search, like this message sending bar. Then it send it, then AI does all the thing, then I have to click on open preview. I mean, who was thinking what those guys were doing in the team? Why nobody said like, hey, can we just give a button where user clicks and we just load it by showing a loader to the user? Because that's what we want here. Keep all. Okay, in the whole page on the background. Okay, maybe I'm thinking we have 21st dev, right? Let's see if there is something new in 21st dev. I want some cool elements to explore, to add on my background. What kind of theme do you think would be? So I like this checkered boxes, one of the thing. Another, I like these dots as well. I feel the dots makes it. So I've already used dots earlier. Maybe I will just give it. Can you add this element? Let's see. It will use the web extractor agent or something. Reading page, perfect. It's reading the page. Now I need to implement the next task. Yes, you need to analyzed Mimothon. Also, guys, give me a good title if you think this is not right. This is what AI has created. I haven't done anything. And I'm definitely going to change this Mimothon title as well. Let's see in Google font if we have any good font for... let's see on Dribble. First get inspired. Hacking landing, or maybe hackathon. I think I like this kind of wait, I like this. Which type of font is this? Can I get this in Google Fonts? Oh, did you guys hear about this? That OpenAI is planning to launch a PhD level model, which will be costed $20,000 a month. Isn't it crazy? Also, guys, I would really appreciate if you can like this stream. I noticed like yesterday's stream was only 7 likes or 8 likes. I mean, I will really appreciate that. Add some meme stickers around the Memathon title. Yes, Varun, that was on my mind. Like I was going to make few now. But yeah, let's first start with the header. And then I'll add these, this checker box background. Which by now I think it has been added or not. What? It's not added yet. Let's see. What's happening? The page has now a visually interesting background. I don't see that. Memathon. I don't know what it has done. Discard. So this is saying the font is press start 2p. Press start 2p. Do you think this will be a good font for Memathon or VT3? I think I like this, but I also like this. I mean, this is better, right? Get font, get embed code. This is the font I want for my title, which is Memathon. Let's see how it will edit. And I'm thinking let's have a dotted background, which is in, if we say studio section, in studio section we have a preview area here. On the preview area we have, yes, this background. So I'll add this because then we'll be reusing similar functionality, kind of, right? Add some, okay, Hind, I sent the link of the game in the Discord. Okay, Hind, nice. Let's check the icon to see how to play. Yeah, I mean, this is the Tower of Hanoi problem, right? Where you have to but isn't this already sorted? Like people generally, what is this? Click on what? Click the eye icon. Where is the eye icon? Here. Okay. The objective is to move all this from the leftmost tower to the rightmost tower. Okay. That is what we want, right? So from this we can move to this. So we can move to this, and from this we can move to this. We can move to this, and then we can move to this. We move to this, and we can move to this. Yeah, nice. This is interesting. Very nice. Great job. In. I noticed the user hasn't responded with a new request yet after I applied the bricolage grotesque font to the Memathon. This is not the font I wanted. Not at all. So first, let me see if we. Let's discard this. Document default. So let's first commit this. Memathon page init. Okay, this is also fix lambda deploy. Fix lambda deploy has so many issues. Shit, I should not do this. How to revert this now? Post handle. I need to revert this commit. Undo. Revert changes in commit. Undo commit. Yes. So the commit is now undo. I'll just use this for now, and maybe I will stash this discard. Then in the main branch of this, yes, I'll do a yarn. So I can do a yarn dev. 3001. No, we already have, right? Okay, so missed required error component. Yes, because we don't have that right now. Make a Memathon page which is not logged by auth. Happy life. Nice. Thank you, man. What is happening? No one can leverage AI more than you. I mean, at this point, AI is becoming like my first brain, not even second brain. If you're saying sorry many times, then you probably Canadian Apology Act. Am I saying too many sorries? Is it not very... You guys can see my eyes like feeling droopy. I want to sleep today. I'll sleep. Okay, now we have a Memathon page. Still nope. So Memathon is here. I think you forgot to add the exact page, which is like this. @Memathon. This should open. It looks like the Memathon file doesn't exist yet in your page, right? Because windsurf being windsurf, you know. Innocent windsurf being innocent windsurf. Okay, now you have added, right? Let's see. You have added, but why these issues are happening? Explain and fix. Mode toggle. Why do we need a toggle button? This background music is giving some good vibes. Nice. Yeah, me too. Like, I'm liking it. You know, sometimes I think would it be better if I just use both these LLMs like Cursor and Windsurf on two different windows, because they just take so much time, right? And I don't know what's happening with this page now. It can't load at all. Missing required error components. What does this mean? Like, why there is an error? Bro, just run like normal. Yarn dev 3001. Yes, let's run on 3001, bro. Okay, and then when we call Memathon, just run. Oh, okay, finally it's working. So the Memathon is working, but I hate this font. This is like Comic Sans of internet to me. Where creativity meets you and join the ultimate meme creation challenge on posthandle. I do not want to give this button. Well, you'll only be making it black, and the way I'm thinking is we'll have a dotted like a background of it, so it feels like a full canvas. Then we will implement some stickers of fancy memes around this and on random places, or maybe they're just popping randomly on different places. And what else? The Memathon will be written. Then we'll have a place of like some reels which will show up here, so user can see what kind of memes they can make. Then we'll talk to AI about it. Cursor and Windsurf should reward you as their most valuable. I am the most valuable user. Interesting. I will move this to create a new branch, Memathon. So Marathon landing page design, right? Commit. And what else? What else? We need to change the icon of this thing. Not icon, the okay. I will meanwhile, while I'm searching for a good font, I'll say, hey, check the background from studio section. Preview. In studio section we have background here, which is small dots in the background. Let's add the same background on our landing page, Memathon. Let's see. How do you plan or imagine the designs? Have you created a Figma design for Memathon? No, not really. I'm just doing vibe designing, vibe coding. Hi Divyanshu, what's going on? Hey Amit, welcome. So today I'm just testing out this new update which came for Windsurf. And this is where we have new preview section where we can preview our web apps when they're running. I think I'll show you now in a while. But we are building the... Wait, this is what? Let me just close it. So we are currently building the Memathon landing page. This, oh wow, the dot background is already here. Perfect, looks very neat. Now I need to change the font of it. So I want to enable this font. Let's see in web if we say import. Let's give this font to cursor, but we need to, okay. Added dotted background. Keep all. Where is our preview? Here, run preview. Active preview is already there, so yeah, we'll say just run our preview. Nice. Okay, so this will start the preview now, and I mean my preview is already running. Will I have to review? This is stupid, right? I don't think they have really thought about this preview thing, or maybe I'm not using it correctly, but this looks broken to me. What do you guys think? And let me also check a couple of other hackathon design themes so I can maybe link to something. Famous meme stickers. So you know what I'm doing? I'm just adding some some interesting images. Let's add it on, where is it? Public images. I will call this meme stickers 1, and then another would be this one. Another would be this one, maybe. Save images, which will be 2. Then there will be this. So I want to add these images on the page on different locations. We'll see how it looks. 3. Then there is is it worth it to learn code in 2025? Learning code, I was watching one podcast today while I was running, and it was by the founders and the leading team at YC, Y Combinator, and they were saying they have a huge batch this year of all the AI companies, and they found like most of the OG developers in their whole team, like people who are like obsessed with coding, are saying like they do not code anymore. They are just you know, they are more of like product people. So learning to code, but they also mentioned there are people who recently started coding from Cursor. They have no idea how coding used to work earlier, so their coding learning is via Cursor, which is like vibe coding. And they said there's a huge difference on the fundamental understanding of how things work. If something breaks, this guy who does not know code is just stuck and his hands are up in the air because now he can't do anything. Whereas the guys who are using Cursor or these IDs as a tool to help them in their building their things, they can put their like hands into the gutter, right, where the code is, and they know what is good and bad code. So I mean, maybe in 2026 or 27, when these LLMs will become super smart, then coding value might be less, but as of now that's not the case. And learning coding is like, you know, some people learn languages. I mean, like, if I know a couple of my friends who learn German, and they will never go and live in Germany. They just like learning new languages. So it's, to me at this point, is like that. If you are learning for maybe like earning money at this point, might not be the feasible option. But if you're learning because you want to be like, you know, better at communicating with computer, it also, it's super easy at this point. Like, there's so many good tutorials, so much resources. With AI help, learning is, I think, 10x easier compared to how it was. So yeah, learn coding, man. It will be fun, and it's fun, to be honest. Like, when you see your thing which you wrote working and you get this understanding, it gets addictive. Hello, rockstars. Hey, Larry, welcome. Larry, you must be joining us on this Saturday, right? On the gaming night. Copy images. What a good question. Hello, Larry. Amit Gadia, are there any copyright concerns with using these images? I mean, these are open internet images. I don't know. I'm just optimizing them as well. By optimizing, like, I mean, I'm removing the background, removing any copyright things. And in case someone has an issue, I will just write it down. Any issue, let me know. I will just remove them. But for now, these are like publicly accessible internet images. This one, I don't know. I want some famous images. Yeah, this guy is famous, right? Larry, what's happening? I've got coffee and ready to roll. Awesome, Larry. Thank you. You're welcome, Shubhi. Calling Larry. I should be able to make that. Okay, perfect. Perfect. See you on Saturday then. Do we have this image already? Post handle. Out. No, not out. Where is that? This is public images, meme stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'll just tell this first to our app. Accept. Let's run this. Okay. Now we have some images in our images/meme stickers as 126 PNG extension. I want to add those images in our background at random places, popping and going with a fade in, fade out animation. They are shown for 2-3 seconds and gone. And similarly, they come across the landing page. Let's see. Actually, that would be tomorrow afternoon for me. Yes, yes. Umesh, hello. Hello, Umesh. What did you get done? I know you played football today. So what did it think about it? Editing the page. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, one of the nice thing here is that once this preview is started, you have this element and console log linking. But I was checking one MCP protocol, MCP plugin, which directly connects with the Chrome. Wow, interesting, guys. Is it good? So they just keep on pumping on any location right now. I mean, we can add more so that they vary a lot. Currently, I mean, I'm seeing a lot of repeats happening. But is it looking nice? I just want some feedback. It looks lively, dynamic to me. Okay, what are we getting here? Hint, awesome, looks amazing. Okay, perfect, guys. I love it that you guys are liking it. Awesome. So let's add more. It's fun. It's fun. So let's add more. I like this cat. Copy image. What else? Pepe. Who can leave Pepe from memes? Save image as what? 7. I can say famous international meme stickers. I'm like, which is relatable to everyone. I have seen this girl a lot. 7, 8 looks cool, but it overlaps the important text. Yes, happy life. That's a good observation. We'll have to do something with that. I'll see if Windsurf can fix that for us. 9. Then there is what? I like cat. Okay, so we need Shibu coin. 9. Okay, so we have 10 already. Let's add 1, 2 more. Patrick, but Patrick image seems copyrighted. We'll ignore it. Oh, this crying cat. I like this. 11. Let's add one or two more. Okay, I like this. No, not save. It's copy image. Oh, meme. Shit. Chill guy. How can we forget about chill guy? Oh shit, we are on time now. But yeah, let's do this 12. And then there is this. So anyone can you tell me, like, if we share this meme-a-thon, how many, like, let's do one poll. How many people do you think will join this meme-a-thon? Total people who would want to publish a video. I'm just thinking about, like, do we need to an scalability, or it would be like 10-20 people? How many people are you thinking? Whoever gives the best guess, and by the end of it, I might give a surprise to that person who gives the best guess. Yeah, I think this is good enough for now. So now I will ask it. Wait, where is it? Meme-a-thon, right? So in the use effect, we have a random into 6 because we have 6 images. But now we have how many images? 13. So let's say 13 now. Let's see if this has any change on, or are the new images dropping in? Okay, so I see two problems. First of all, let's discard these DSS stores. They should be automatically removed. Added the animation logic for our meme stickers. Okay. Can you make sure that when we show these random stickers, no two sticker can be same at a time? Yeah, because they're becoming too much on the screen, similar looking. Maybe a shadow behind the main text. Yeah, Hind, let's see what Windsurf can do. Add one actor photo, Brahmanandan photo. We called him memes god. What is Brahmanandan? This guy? I mean, we can, but thing is, will it be super relevant for everyone? Because if we go for, like, international users, they might not know. And do we have like sticker for this guy? So I can add this one. Let's add this. This is a request from Varun, so, well, obviously remove PG. $13, $14. Okay, I'll take some requests. Giga chat, okay. Okay, this is good. This is good. This one is good, right? Copy image. Any other request, guys? $14, $15. So we have 15 now. Meme-a-thon. It is. So let's say 14. Shit, no, 14. So now it's too fast. Okay, let's fix two issues now in the sticker showing logic. One, it is showing the stickers too fast. They should be slow. At a time, maybe show 6 to 8 stickers in the screen, and keep removing and adding stickers slowly. 2, no two stickers can overlap on each other. And also stickers should not be overlapping with the main content of the page. Let's see if it can do all of this by itself. How can you forget Patrick Bateman, the OG Sigma? Okay, Patrick Bateman. I like that as well. Patrick Bateman. Images. Meme sticker. So you want this one or this one? Or this one? Clenching fist baby meme. Okay. Clenching fist baby meme sticker. Ah, yeah, this one is OG. I've seen him so much. So where is words of editing? Meanwhile, we can play with this dismiss. What is happening? It gave us some error. I just completely ignored it. We are sorry we couldn't remove the background. Try brushing over it with magic brush or certain. Okay, why? What is wrong with this image? Looks like a decent image. Maybe try a different one. Copy image. First one recognized by so many. Okay, save image as 1516. Then we have what? First image. You mean this one is recognized by, or this one? I think this one is much recognized, right? As far as my memology knowledge. Guys, I'm already late again. But yeah, I'm in this fun zone of making this fun thing. So yeah, we can sit for a while. 16 and then this would be 17. I think this is a lot compared to what I was thinking earlier. So cascade error happened. Let's see what is happening on our page here. What is happening? Something is wrong. Something is definitely wrong here. So I would say discard all. Wait. Something is wrong. I don't know what though. Discard changes. Added more memes. Speaker. Okay, I think I'll continue this tomorrow. It's getting a bit late. I'm also feeling a little bit sleepy as well. So yeah, Memathon landing page we are currently working on. This will be finished by this week. And as we were at 15th of March is the day of the release of the app. I'm super excited. Again, thank you so much everyone for joining this session today. And I'll be seeing you tomorrow. And I'm super excited for our Saturday gameathon. Gameathon, we can say it. And yeah, have a good night. And again,